only. Our original Awila Langamba. Everything Wale. That is it. That's it.
Thank you.
That's it. Our one stop DJ Easy Beat. Once it starts, no stopping. This kind of DJ, now the kind of DJ where you go club. Say no, just go club. 2 hours. You go there 6 hours. You no go know. When you come out, they don't break. Sun don't they shine. You don't know because they're non-stop music. Zaga. When I welcome to Top Night Show today, Tuesday. Remember, make I join the identity. It just enters somehow, you know. But make I control, just
Come maintain.
Because our people. You know, sometimes families they sit down, they watch this show.
They observe, yeah.
Me no sure we say finish. You know that kind 10:30-ish.
You're living.
Yeah. So that you know what? See some kind things, some kind of way they work with, a bit provoking, be like cockroach they inside your body, they take inside, they scratch you. How you go deal with those kind of people in your lifetime? How do you deal with them? You don't say, I'm gonna go make a comeback. You say for. If they say smile if they say, Katim, now we are awarding you with the grand prize for $500 million. Well, how you think say my smile will be? Say smile and make a speech and wave in collection. Leave me, you know dreams they come true.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh. How much you call that?
$500 million.
Now you smile like this.
Hey, you know one Chris. I mean, don't be like say you don't used to know that kind of money. So you just. Oh, first of all, we want to thank the Lord. He's so good to us. And this is a sign that prayer always, God answer prayer. Wherever it is in your lifetime, I preach unto you today that whatever it is your heart's desire, it will come true as mine have come true. In Jesus' name.
Oh, shit.
Please pinch me. Let me wake up from my dream and enter my reality. Dan, good evening. Welcome to the night show. The thing I be do. Say thank God the come back. The thing is going to be lit. So that is what we mean by welcome on top the night show. Me and my one and only DJ is in the back studio. Yes. Without much ado. Oh, yesterday I hold microphone. The microphone the microphone can return to and so, but in the meantime, before we introduce our one and only the guest where we get inside studio, hey, anybody where you know say he black, tell me, whoever the person be, whether in this African continent, in this Niger or outside, my guest is blacker than that person. According to so it meaning that in the night time, in the night you cannot see him. Only saying he smile like this, then you see white it. Otherwise, you won't know my guess. But first of all, now I'm going to say now on top of the night show. You know, this is the show that anything can happen. If we want to sleep and do the show, is it your business? No. If we want to sit down or stand up or dance inside show, it's not your business. So until you tongue on the show, we'll take a very short break. You mean to introduce our guests. We want to do it in a seamless Optalidon duvet fashion. So that is what we are going to first show you. The first part of the Optalidon Divante. Then when we come back, we're going to know our guests. Yours now. Is in the studio. 2 black beds sitting on the wall. 2 black beds sitting on the wall. One name SULTAN, the other one BLACKAH. Please, ladies and gentlemen, join your hand in a round, louding, resounding applause. And come and welcome our guests on Top Night Show. Yours. Ha. This is the only show where the fit come here and do as they want. Because now we get show. We got to open the telephone line so you can talk to them. Maybe you people think that we don't know how to speak English. Sometimes we want to speak English. Come on, it's just that sometimes because the show is about pidgin and vernacular. So you might say some English from time to time, and then sometimes we enter broken. Anyhow you want it. If you want to use this same phenomenon and rap, our rap go bad past that rapist where SULTAN they rap there. Say, go shawty, it's a baby. If me and Isibit, now because they don't know they, if 3 of us complete like this, we want to enter this thing. Imagine say Isi go rap in Edo, Nedu go rap in Igbo, then me. I go rap in French and rap in the Kwaibum. Because we get as per two sides of the coin. Please, my guests, Sultan and BLACKAH.
We greet you now from the Nigerian Ninja Temple.
Oh, but you're supposed to be, you should say, they enter clothing line. Everybody, they do clothing line now.
I don't do clothing line before people be waiting in clothing line. I don't start Nigerian Ninja clothing. Nigerian Ninja clothing since now. So we always wear them now just to... You still do the
So what's in bring like this enter the studio? Like this. Every time, now we they talk. Waiting carry this on a two left leg enter the studio today. So on a branch say on a one just they wave people or you just come say you want to see us with it.
They watch you for inside car, now someone come greet you.
What? Are you a monitoring spirit? How can you watch somebody inside the motor? Inside motor? How? Which motor? Even Japan people never do that motor. That man will get plenty money when dash Michael them money. You don't even get that kind moving motor, moving television in the motor. Then who are you? That's the main thing. My dad. You look at us and you think we have mark on our face.
Make you for that, Benjamin.
Okay, can you keep on you say? The exact thing get no nye. Ekpero manam that thing get okokonye. Maabasi. Ekpero manam that thing get okokonye. You need to buy me tango take on me.
But come on, me kitchen with the market.
Exactly. Some would coffee. My brother chop knuckle. You call bro. That is somebody. Oh my God.
How many did you have?
That's very 17. Everybody they speak their language. It is to say this Niger things for the easy. If everybody now in talking language, I understand. I'm in talk. I go just as in the speak. I go reply for my own. Sultan go talking on. I go reply. You self go talk your. We don't get wahala. We don't get problem inside this country. For be just one country celebrated by diversity.
Yeah. So okay, what you carry us call you? You know now we.
Who be this man first? You I know. Who be this?
BLACKAH. BLACKAH now very.
BLACKAH.
No, be the meaning of the BLACKAH. But this one BLACKAH.
BLACKAH.
No, na lyrical gunshot. Na lyrical gunshot.
You know him?
Number one.
BLACKAH.
Lyrical gunshot. No, na lyrical.
No, that one.
Na
lyrics are big.
No, you know say we dey learn every day now. The one we know na kwa.
Now why would they tell them pam, but we no kill no one?
Where you from like this?
Just now, come on, man. Keeping it real. I'm a jet and black. Another one again.
No wonder. I don't know since because you and cartoon resemble.
Oh yeah? The second time I did.
Una black, you follow come from inside. If from the ground, come enter on a body. This black, No.
You fine person.
You fine person,
man.
Okay. Now you talk so.
No verse I beg you. I fine person, man.
Why you not? No, make I ask you one thing before we begin. Before we see, we got watch on a video. Why it be say every time when they wear black glass inside house, outside house? I not say make you come out and just ask you a question.
You don't be like say they do. See am now, come on, man.
Okay. My own be say the future too bright.
So you wear them. So wait, did they wear these glasses then sleep?
Sometimes when inside plane.
Chai. But you know they wear and sleep, Sha?
I know they wear and sleep. I tell you it's the future too bright. You know, say future.
Now the fake glasses, now that 251 where they sell for go slow.
God forbid.
No, I just they ask now. It's a question.
Man, if you take and read
you know, say this guy, we know they know all of them be the same now.
No, now some are reboon.
Some are reboon. But nobody they check that thing. All is soft work. Nobody they check out. Now you go come, person go wear that say, come, let me look at your glasses. Okay, this one are Ray-Bans.
This one are Ray-Ban. Look at
that. You know, I just they ask now.
Not be reboot.
Listen, make I ask another. Should be they say then this one. Okay, so make I ask another question. Why be say people when they sing, they do things, go they wear facing cap. Everywhere they go just wear facing cap. Like say, you know if they don't wear facing cap, nothing they happen. Be like say their club no complete.
Yeah, it be like you know
when they
it just be like when you do your hair. You for barb your hair. I not ask you to off. Leave her now. If I don't say no comb your hair.
When you say thinking cap.
Thinking cap. This one na your thinking cap now.
Every time I wear this thing, lyrics they come anyhow.
But you know say you decrease, sir. Because sometimes I don't used to understand that video where we just watched now. The graphics, everything. Me, I never see him in my lifetime. And you know, but it's somebody like you. This man, and in no change since I know him. That's why him be in no change. And
now the cloth I wear the last time with this. And they change you.
You know, say SULTAN music. From the first time when people hear that mathematics, we say So when we hear techno say my dollar, my mathematics, can't you? They want to say mathematics. Say who bring mathematics come now? That kind of mathematics. That time when he released that video, when he seen that, so everybody want to say, this mathematics and everything in talk for the lyrics can't make sense inside that mathematics song. Unlike say sometimes these days now, some people go sing song. You go they hum the song because fear no agree you to sing the song because the lyrics self. If you they sing and you go there say this thing where they sing, do it make sense? It don't make sense, so you leave it. So people, before we enter talk with BLACKAH and why SULTAN carry and come join body, because we don't know these days. You say different alliance day self. Even for Niger Delta, some alliance they form daily. So we don't know. Alliance for good things is always a good movement.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.